Hey, welcome to M Puzzles and Builds. In this video, we're going to be doing this 500 piece Final Fantasy VII Remake Aerith key art jigsaw. For any of you that aren't aware, I am a massive Final Fantasy VII fan. I did have a PS4 when this game came out. I'd pre-ordered it and completed it pretty much within a few days. Then when I sold my PS4, I bought the game on Steam and I have 100%ed it on that. I really can't wait for the next one, which has came out, but not on PC, and I don't have a PlayStation anymore. So waiting on that to continue this story. I really enjoyed it. It's I would say not as good as the PS1. There's some bits that are overstretched, some bits that are just not as charming as the PS1 game, but I did really enjoy it. It was lots of fun, and Aerith became my favourite character in it. So when I decided to get a couple of Final Fantasy VII jigsaws, I saw this one and I thought, I've got to get it. I don't really know what else to say, so let's just get going. Hopefully, I can do this in less than 3 hours. Five at a push. Let's get started. Here we are. First update time, 34 minutes in. Pretty much finished the Aerith part of the jigsaw. So that's only going to be difficult, well, harder parts to do for the rest of it. It shouldn't be too bad though. Here's all the edge PCs, here's all the blue bits, here's all the whitey silvery bits, here's all the landscapey bits, and I'm very confident those two bits are part of Aerith's outfit, and these two arrived together, so it's a wee freebie. Pretty simple so far, nice easy sort, didn't take too long, and yeah, like this just came together as I was sorting it, which is really nice. I like it it, when I have PCs that do that. Overall, though, pretty chill, pretty fun so far. Let's get going, see how long it takes to do the rest. Hey, update time. Just under 4 hours in. Good amount of progress. I knew this one was going to take quite a bit of time because there's very few different colours in it. Also, it's very shiny. So the fact that I'm using a bright light from above is reflecting a lot of colour, so it's making it quite hard to see a lot of the parts. Well, to determine the colour differential of the parts. So the silvery parts and blue parts are quite similar. I think the cloud bits just make the blue bits look shinier. But yeah, I'm gonna say this is around about halfway through at the moment. Obviously, there's more than half the pieces in, but all the rest of the progress between now and when I'm finished is all going to be this difficult blue. That's all that's left. Everything else is done. Blue and silver. And the silver is not that easy to distinguish from the blue. I'm loving this jigsaw though. The easiest and best part was done basically before I was working on it. But it's worth it. Worth it to see the outcome. And I can't wait. So I don't think there's going to be another update before the end of it, because it's all just sky for the rest of it. So let's just go on and see how long it takes from here till finish. I reckon it'll be between 7 and 8 hours. Hopefully less, but I've just came off of doing a 60-hour jigsaw, so I will happily take an 8-hour jigsaw, if not more, as long as it's less than 60. And for a 500 piece, there's no way it's going to be anywhere near that. Let's keep going. Here we are with this brilliant Aerith key art. Took me 8 hours, 23 minutes, and 46 seconds, which I think isn't too bad. Like, with the light above, it was pretty difficult to tell the difference between the shades of blue and the reflectiveness of the clouds. So that's what made the second half of the Jigsaw really difficult. But it was still really chill. A little bit longer than I expected, but not by a lot. I was hoping it would be less than 10 hours this to still be relatively satisfied. And I am. I'm happy. And I think it's a really nice picture. And it's of my favourite character. So, good stuff all round. What did you guys think of it? Hope you enjoyed. There's going to be, I think, another Jigsaw. And then I'm going to do the Millennium Falcon. And then another couple small Jigsaws. Maybe 2 or 3. And then possibly a bigger one, but we'll see. If I manage to have a good backlog by then I'll do another big one. But at the moment, it's just go with the flow. I do have another Lego that will come up at some point as well, the Polaroid camera, and I've got that massive job lot of jigsaws that I need to get through as well. The next one is, I think, 1,000 piece. So see you there. Goodbye.